10 objects from the Prophet Muhammad that we've managed to keep. The last one will shock you. 1. A blessed bowl from which Muhammad, peace be upon him, drank water. 2. The bow and scabbard of the Prophet, peace be upon him. 3. His sword and scabbard. 4. The golden lock and key to the Kaaba, the holiest place for Muslims. 5. A hair from the beard of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 6. His turban. 7. His hair. 8. His coat. 9. His shoe. And 10. The tooth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When the Ottomans became holders of the Caliphate in 1517, after defeating the Mamluks and conquering much of the Middle East, they brought most of the holy relics of the Prophet Muhammad from Cairo to Istanbul. They were kept in the Chamber of Holy Relics inside the